Hey everyone and welcome to this video. I'm doing a kind of just a sped up build challenge. I did record this with my mic going, but the microphone was weird, so sorry about that. Unfortunately this mic isn't much better, so I'm just going to give you guys an idea of what's going on. So I'm just doing a build challenge. This lot, the home itself wasn't allowed to be more than 56 tiles I believe, and the inside of the home, so the kitchen, living room, the bedroom, and the upstairs, so another bedroom and a bathroom, wasn't more than 56. But you see what I'm building here, like this outside area, and then a porch. I made it over 56, so I didn't count that because it's not like living space. Yeah, and then it couldn't be more than 36 or 38,000 and some change, and there had to be a room for a teenager. And yeah, I used James Turner's like random challenge randomizer, I guess, on his website. I'll link that down below. It's really fun. There were two things though that I didn't do. One, it was this random like styling. I don't even know what it was. I guess I just don't have that pack. And then the other one was there was supposed to be a fountain, like the fountain add-ons that you can add that like make the water square out of the ground. I forgot to do that. But yeah, my idea for this was kind of a more traditional house. That's why it's brick on the outside, and there's like older looking things, more antique looking things on the inside. Also, I noticed at the end I forgot to do clutter, but just ignore that. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this build. yeah, guys, so this is basically it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I would love if you would subscribe or hit the like button. Feel free to do whatever you want though, no pressure. I'm just uploading videos that I enjoy making and want to make, so whatever you want to do, you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to like, it's whatever. Yeah, but I am going to link James Turner's YouTube channel as well as the randomizer, like his webpage down below, and it has the randomizer that he used to have like the parameters for this build. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in whatever video I make next. Thank you. Bye.